Stuckey hole straightener. Dang, this thing's legit, dude. So let's talk about it. All right, so it's got basically it is like a vice grip, and the teeth right here come and pop in just like that, and it goes around the hole and it tightens it. Now you can actually clamp it and then kind of tweak it if you want to. It fits in most small holes that I've used it in. I kind of cranked some holes around on a hood and used this. You can see that again, that little clip pops up and it gives a nice tight grip around the hole to straighten it. Pops up. Very well made, compact, heavy, like I said, kind of like a vice grip. And you'll definitely want that clamp style. I do like that, and it feels really natural in the hand. It doesn't feel over. And look at that tooth, just to give you a heads up on the tooth right there. Dude, it's nice, it's legit. I've used it in different holes in different situations already, and what I do like about it though, okay, my favorite thing is when I'm clamping it, I can manipulate the hole a little bit more than just straightening it. So if I got a bigger hole, I can clamp down on it and then kind of move it around, or you know, if I'm above it or down below it, and I can kind of move it like that. So that's pretty cool. So at this time of review, I'm not sure exactly how much it is yet, but I will put a link on there. Another Stuckey Tools creation with his own hole straightener. So check it out.